Hi folks, Terry Brown here. Thanks so much for taking just a few moments of your time to check out this video today. And Tony Kaskin says that if you don't build your dream, someone else will hire you to help build theirs. And you know something? Ain't that the truth? That's why we've got to keep our dreams alive in our hearts. Don't let them die. You know, I've learned years ago that dreams don't have deadlines. And another great quote, another thought by Walt Disney. And Walt Disney says that all of our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. So again, if you don't build your dream, guess what? Someone else will hire you to help build theirs. Now, I've got a couple of dream building business opportunities, okay, that I'd like to share with you if you're interested. All right, so look for the link or the links in the description area of this video or wherever you see this video and check things out for yourself. Some great stuff, okay? All right, I'm Terry Brown. I'm wishing you a blessed and wonderful day today. Bye-bye now.